Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now because holiday season is here, majority of us are either rested too much or either overworking too much. In either of the cases, if you feel tired and exhausted and stiff by the end of the day, then this video is for you. These are simple quick exercises which can be done under 5 minutes just before going to sleep so that you can have a relaxed and comfortable sleep. Now sleep plays a vital role in good health and well-being throughout your life, and having good quality sleep at night can have a protective effect for you for your mental health as well as your physical health. So let's start working towards these two really important parts of life. Let's do these exercises. The first exercise, we have to start with your ankle toe movements, and that too in all the directions. It relieves the foot and calf muscles in leg. Now by the end of the day, it is generally our foot muscles and the lower leg muscles which are tired and they feel heavy, so this exercise will be a good relaxing movement. You can follow it up with seated forward bend. It relieves stress in the spine, your hamstring muscles as well as the shoulder. If you cannot do it with both the feet together, you can do it with individual leg, and there is no compulsion to initially touch your feet here. You can do it as per your comfort level, wherever you can reach, wherever your hand can go up to. You will feel a good stretch at the back side of your leg. That is all that is required. Then knee to chest stretch. You have to fold your hip and knee in this position and hold it for about 5 to 10 seconds, and do it alternately on both the legs. People who have pain in the knee should not press it very hard on the knee joint. And this is my favorite, supine spinal stretch. Just lay back on your bed, fold your legs together and twist from side to side. Now while you're doing this, make sure that your upper body is not moving. It relaxes your whole spine, your hip, your chest, up to the neck region. When you're twisting your legs on one direction, you can rotate your neck on the opposite side for more stretch. It really relaxes your whole spine. Follow it up with child's pose. It relaxes your back, your shoulders and your neck muscles, and stay in this pose for a few seconds before coming back. Please avoid doing this if you have knee problem. It relaxes your whole body and relieves stress. Then is your adductor stretch, or basically the inner thigh muscles which are getting stretched in this. It as well relaxes your hip joint muscles. The forward bending in this pose is to add little more stretch to it. If you are not able to do it, you can always skip it. The reclined angel pose, you just have to lay straight with the legs folded in this position. It is good for people who have a sitting job to relax the lower limb muscles. Stay there, keep on breathing. Make sure that you do not lift up or arch your back while you're doing this exercise. In the final exercise, you have to raise your legs up above from the body. It relieves pressure on your lower body and may improve circulation, help reduce your low back pain as well as stress. You can keep your legs supported against the wall, or you can keep them in a 90-90 position with the help of pillows. That's it. These are the simple exercises which you can do in less than 5 minutes daily to have a good night's sleep. If you find it useful and informative, then please share it with your family and your friends, and do like our videos. and also subscribe to our channel for supporting us. Thank you for watching. Be happy and be safe, and I'll see you soon in my next video.